Hi friends! Today we're going to be reading Corduroy's Neighborhood. Okay, let's see what we've got here. The pictures in this book are very cute. Corduroy loves his neighborhood. There are people helping everywhere. First, he sees firefighters. Oh, thank you for keeping us safe. Corduroy sees the teachers at school. Thank you for making learning fun. The library is Corduroy's favorite place. Thank you to the librarians who share their love of reading. Ooh, I love to read. It's my favorite thing to do. The letter carrier brings the mail. Special delivery for Corduroy. Oh, I wonder what's in it. And then it says, Corduroy loves his neighborhood. Thank you to all of the helpers. The end. Thank you for joining Ruby and I for that story time about neighborhoods. I'd love if you would like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we have a premiere of a song or a story time or just an activity that's plain fun. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.